Alright, so in this video we are gonna test out the create function in the post controller and as well getting all of the posts. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to log in. So let's go in and send some data through here. We then get this token and we need to copy and paste this token. Go in a new window and say post-new. Then we want to go in and first of all put authorization as BOR token. Paste in the new token here. And then we basically just want to pass in content and say something like hello world. And let's just make sure this is correct here. And also we need to of course go in here and have the accept application JSON, and we need to go in and make sure we also have the header content type here. So the error says that the route doesn't seem to exist, so that's the first thing we need to figure out here. And I think the issue is actually we need to put in the prefix API, and by doing this now, and then we also need to add it in as a fillable one in here, the post one. So we need to go in and say protected fillable. And then it's gonna be equals to content in this case, and also is edited. So now by going in and posting here, and also making sure we have PHP artisan migrate. Okay, good. Just want to be sure that everything here is correct. Alright, and then let's go in and see what happens now if we try to send it. So this has something to do with not null, which is basically something we can go in and address in here. So let's go in and basically ensure that all of the fields that's required is required in here. So let's go in and put them all as nullable, as well as this one nullable, and this one nullable. And then by running PHP artisan migrate fresh, we will rerun everything here. This will then need us to register a new user, obviously. So let's go in and say register, and then let's go in, basically go in body here, change this to username, and then click off all of these fields in here except for the old password, which then we're going to register a user with the following token here. So basically we have just deleted everything in the database, so therefore that's why we need to do it like this. And then we actually create the post. So what we can do now is we can basically go inside our post controller, and then we want to our API here, and then we want to go in and call post all, or we could actually just create a few more posts just to say how it works. So let's create another post. and then let's go in and say post/auth. And of course we need to put this in a get method. And then we get an JSON file object with all of the different kinds of them we have. So we have number 1 and number 2, and that's actually all for this video. So in the next video we are going to be able to update one if we have the exact same user as the one that created the post, and then only be able to update it once. And then we want to go in and check if we can get the count of how many posts a user has and what posts the user has. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. So see you in the next video. Be sure to hit the like button and click the subscribe button as well.